Good morning, Kaylee. It is Thursday. We just watched your vlog. Any comments? It just dripped everywhere.
Yes, I did.
Any thoughts on her vlog?
It was great. I'm so glad that Mr. Neeson made many appearances.
More Liam Neeson cameos, please.
Flying preferred.
Yeah, so I'm going to Canada tonight. I thought I was going tomorrow, and then Jacob, Jill's boyfriend, texted me and was like, don't forget to check in. And I was like, why check in? You don't have to check in until 24 hours before. And I checked the app, and I'm supposed to be going tonight, which is hilarious because my boss asked me yesterday, she's like, you're not working tomorrow, right? And I was like, yeah, I am. And she's like, really? You are? And I said, yeah, I don't fly out till Friday.
Oh, so she was already
aware, but I gaslit her.
Me too. I also thought you were going on Thursday.
Yeah, so I gaslit everybody. So I haven't even packed yet, and I'm leaving tonight, and I am gonna try to work today. I had today off, and then I sacrificed it. So we're gonna go to the gym, and then I'm gonna speed pack, and then we're gonna say goodbye for forever. Wait, I need one more kiss.
Oh my goodness.
I love you. Bye. Bye. So I'm working from home today. I'll take you along a work from home / packing day. Okay, I just put a little bit of makeup on because it's easier to work from home that way, but I haven't gotten dressed because I put everything in the laundry. But I'm gonna make tea because I realized that's an option. So I only really listen to this lo-fi while I work from home. It's just amazing. I'm so productive. Say hi to the vlog.
To who? Oh, hello vlog. It's me.
It is time.
Headed to Vancouver.
We're on our way. It doesn't like you right now. Where's your face? There we go. Now you're in focus. Hey, where are we going?
This is a bad time.
There's my immigration mugshot.
I'm not stoned, I promise. I could fool anybody with the actual color from that. I was actually concerned that the officer was going to see this and send me straight to jail. He's like, nah, get out of here.
What is he doing? Okay, I guess James is sneaking up on us.
TNT, that makes
Something
3 by 3, and I'll make myself tons of TNT.
Because what else would be on the TV? Say hi to the vlog. Anything to say, James? Thanks for that. When your forehead hit it, it said light required, flash may help.
Light required, flash may help.
I gaze off into the boundless skyline. No block choirs playing in the sunshine. One day thought all this chaos in... Wait, what? That doesn't go.
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. Every time we kiss, I swear I could fly.
Don't mind at night. I know you see you're getting thanks. Get rid of it away. Cause we go. I'm driving an unfamiliar vehicle and I don't like it.
James used to say that my steering wheel was the size of a tortilla.
Because it is. But like, this is like what you'd make a burrito. Oh,
I think I go over.
Go! James. Looks delicious.
Okay, we're skipping this.
Third of 4 kids. I have an older brother and an older sister. Me aside, and they told me
It's today!
It's happening.
How do you feel?
Crazy.
Any different?
No.
Feel like your life's gonna change?
Yes.
No. Well, I mean, it will.
In practical ways, it
Yes.
will change.
Like,
My
no.
hat feels weird.
Guys, triangle's the strongest shape.
Do you want to play charades? That's the White Rock. That's the White Rock. We are in White Rock, and the only reason why it's called White Rock is because of that White Rock. Everybody's so creative.
Good video.
Yes.
Now I look like a dork.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no.
Canada's longest pier. Hi. Hi Kaylee, it is Wednesday. I'm obviously home from Canada and I'm obviously working from home, hence the not being dressed at all. And now I am editing a video for work. I'm getting paid for video editing right now. That's exciting. I'm also a little sick. Don't know what I got in Canada. Jill's graduation was super fun. Yeah, it was just good to be out there. Again, didn't film a whole lot because just caught up in the moment, but had a really good time. I think most of what I filmed was James, Jill's little brother, singing Minecraft parodies of songs. Really, really, really funny. So yeah, it was a good time. Happy to be back. I'm going back to Canada in like a couple weeks. Probably my last trip there for a while. I'm going to see Jess again, and I'm also seeing my friend Faith get married. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, the rest of the day is looking like this. And then tomorrow, Luke and I are going to, I'm so excited. Luke and I are going to this party in town called May the Folk Be With You. Tomorrow's May 4th. I cannot tell you how excited I am. I ordered a Padme dress, like a Padme costume casual dress, but it's not coming till May 10th, so I'm kind of sad about it. So I won't have it for tomorrow because it's a dress-up party. So the chore today is going through all the costumey stuff I have and putting something together. I have a couple ideas. We'll see how it goes. Kind of see what I'm going for.
Fuzzy on.
It's not the fuzzy. It's cinematic mode. Successfully crossed the border. We made it.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. That's amazing. Okay.
Is this Minish Cap? Pretty flowers. It's a riddle. In fact, the more you take, the more you leave behind.
Either
A Sunday.
or other alcoholic hot sauce.
Woo!
Very good. The brimming table will create the context. So
Smaller board too.
yeah.
I'm assuming.
Game over.
Play it when you had to use Wi-Fi.
Oh.
All uphill. Oh, yeah. My car's down there.
Every time I say words, they come out and it's like my brain is actually thinking about something else.
Particularly some break, but I mean, what do you have?
Wise men say only fools rush in, for I can tell, falling in love with you, like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. If I can tell, falling in love with you.
Good morning. Oh man, I still sound awful. It is Wednesday. This is Outro McKenna talking. Yeah, I realized I didn't film one because I really didn't know what I was gonna end that vlog. To tell the truth, there's like a lot I left out because it's from like, at this point, months ago. I'm just not on top of it with editing right now. I gotta manage my time better. Okay, so basically I wanted to explain one thing. So there's this clip of James. He puts his glass on like a coaster triangle tower thing and then goes, the triangle is the strongest shape. And then Jill goes, do you guys want to play charades?
Guys, triangle's the strongest shape.
Do you want to play charades?
And basically I wanted to explain that. So James has a talent of saying and doing the worst things at the worst times, especially out at public restaurants. And basically, I can't remember the context for it, but he said, you guys want to play charades? Like right as the waiter was coming up to take our drinks away. And of course James was joking, but he said it in a way that seemed so earnest. And she walked away just like busting up. She was laughing really hard. And so it killed all of us. So that was kind of the joke for the rest of the night. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here and also say that I will be on time that next time. So as you can tell, I'm sick. And in the video, once I got back from my first trip to Canada for Jill's graduation, I was also sick. I don't know what's going on. I'm sleeping way more than I have like ever in my life. We're eating well, vitamin C, taking a lot of vitamins, staying active, not overworking. I know, right? I'm not overworked. And for some reason, my immune system still hates me. So gonna keep troubleshooting that, but that's part of the reason why I'm so late. I just keep getting sick. You're coming to visit next week, so I'm excited for that. Yeah, we haven't seen each other for more than a few days since I moved here, so I'm excited to spend a few days with you here. Bye, Kaylee, and everyone else watching, and I'll see you next time, sooner than the last time. Bye.